Ashley.
And I'm Tommy.
And we are the co-owners of Dollhouse Hair and Makeup.
Dollhouse Lashes, the Parlour by Dollhouse. We've been best friends for 15 years, and we thought it'd be really cool if our first YouTube video was getting to know, trying to see how well we know each other after all these years.
So we're gonna do this dating game style. We're gonna get asked a question. Tommy and I are gonna write down our answers, and then the other person has to see if they can guess the correct answer.
Okay, Tommy, what do you think Ashley's greatest fear is?
I think she has a lot of them, but the one that I remember the most, because we're always in the car together, is that she thinks she's going to get shot in the face by the car next to her at a stop sign. So I'm going to go ahead and say shot in the face at a stop sign.
One of my irrational fears, but I wrote that heights. I'm scared of heights.
Basic.
Don't ever put me up on Supreme Screen.
Okay, Ashley, what is Tommy's greatest fear?
I feel like Tommy's greatest fear is horseback riding.
Oh my god, totally is. I think I have a lot, but I put earthquakes.
Oh, earthquakes is true. This broad can't sleep after earthquake.
We live in earthquake capital of the world.
Question 2. Age of your first tattoo.
Okay.
I'm trying to even remember what your first tattoo was. I'm gonna say 18. 17. 21.
21. Yeah.
And Tommy, what was Ashley's age of her first tattoo?
I'm gonna say I remember her parents taking her to get this tattoo, and I'm gonna go ahead and say that she was 18 when she got it.
I was 18. I was having a hard time trying to remember if you were tattooed before me or not, and I can't believe I was tattooed before you.
How did you first meet?
We should probably, let's see if we can get this at the same time. Let's
Okay.
hold them up at the same time.
Okay.
Okay. Cheer team roll call.
Yeah, cheers on roll call.
Do you use face wash or makeup wipes?
Ooh.
I know what Ashley uses, and I know what I use.
This rod uses face wash.
I do. I wear just so much makeup, it's not gonna come off with the face wipe.
Tommy, does Ashley use face wash or makeup wipes?
Face wipes all day, day.
Makeup wipe. It's rare I wash my face.
Question 5. What is your favorite movie?
This broad better know this one. Wait, I don't know your favorite movie. I'm gonna go ahead and go with something super basic and say like The Notebook or something.
London!
Oh yeah! You always tell me that. London.
All right, Tommy's favorite movie is Beaches.
Oh, okay. Let me scratch that. That is my favorite movie, but I have 2 favorite movies. And
Oh, yeah.
One's Forrest Gump.
Yeah, Forrest Gump for sure.
I have to watch it every single time it's on TV.
How many tattoos do you have? How many tattoos does Tommy have?
She has a neck, a leg, an arm,
Limbs,
all
we're counting limbs.
hands. She has fingers. She has her whole left side and a little bit of a right
Don't forget
side.
my teardrop.
Yeah, and a face. She's a face.
I put I don't know because I don't know. I stopped counting, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you that one. She did count all the places I did have tattoos, so. And I'm gonna say Ashley has 1, 2, 3. 3.
Which would you pick? Stilettos or sneakers?
Okay.
Okay, Ashley. Tommy, stiletto or sneakers?
Sneaker.
Yay! Converse and Vans girl for life.
And Tommy, Ashley, stilettos or sneaker?
Definitely stiletto.
Stilettos.
It should be the other way around since
I know.
I'm short.
It should be, you're right.
Ashley is getting my stiletto game on point.
I am trying to step up her boss lady shoe.
What is your favorite drink?
Ooh, that's a good one.
I think Tommy's favorite drink is Diet Coke.
Oh, I thought we were talking alcohol drinks. It is Diet Coke, but I put michelada.
Oh, that is good.
Yeah.
I put Diet Coke. I mean,
But yeah,
yeah.
both of our favorite drinks are Diet Cokes, and both of our favorite drinks are alcoholic drinks are micheladas. So
and wine.
yeah.
Well, thanks for watching our first YouTube video, and subscribe because we're going to be doing tutorials, upcoming trends, I don't know, Q&As, maybe mom tips, maybe boss tips. We'll see, but it's going to be fun. Stay tuned.
Bye.